just for the likes and the dares that you like comment to me. I will do it later because I'm playing this and this is my third record. I mean my third video, and yeah, I hope you watch this up because if you don't, you'll miss it. Oops. My sister is not yet sleeping in her bedroom, so I'm in the living room. My mom is snoring, but you can't hear my mom because she's in the kitchen. She's in the kitchen snoring. Mom, why you snoring?
What do you mean?
Sorry, Mom. I just record something. I'm playing Roblox Tower of Hell.
Delete your Roblox
No,
now.
I don't want to delete my Roblox. It's kind of fun. You try it. You quit playing. Try it. You don't try it. You don't want to try it. Oh, you're lazy. You're lazy to try, right? Right, Mom? Oh, sorry. My mom is kind of lazy, guys.
Up your
I
face.
just look up my face, Mom. It's scary. Oh! Ah! Mom!
Stop playing or else I will
No, do not delete my Roblox.
Or else I will
Okay, I'll stop.